Alright, starting my daily vlog in Walmart here. I think it's the 27th or the 28th or something. But I'm in Walmart just to get some food, some simple bologna, some milk, you know what I'm saying, so I can eat my cereal. I'm thinking I'm gonna stop by McDonald's or something, get me a sandwich later on. Should be nice. Have a pretty chill day. See if I can record some other stuff. Hold on. I need to do that.
Am I ready for this? Absolutely. I don't know why I haven't said anything. It's just weird, man. I can't. Welcome to my macbook Pro unboxing video. What's going on, everybody? Rellish here. Welcome to my macbook Pro unboxing video. This is just this is the base model. I think not with the upgraded charger, just the base model. And I opted in for the nano texture display. I've really been hesitant on opening this, but I don't know why, but I'm gonna just get this over with so I can explore the endless possibilities. Oh God. Oh man. I shouldn't have done that. I don't know why I don't want to unbox it right now. Fuck it. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why I don't want to open it right now. It's just, I don't. I mean, obviously I could put it all back. It's just. Alright. I mean, I'm not on the table, obviously. I'm just on the floor. in my room chilling. I mean, how else was I gonna get this out, babe? Oh my god, it's heavy. Signed by Apple California. Oh no. Of course we got the power bank, you know, charger. I mean, it's fine. Definitely gonna keep all the wrapping. Holy shit. Major upgrade, bro. I look official. I feel official now, not gonna lie. I got that screen. I heard it. It's booting up for the first time. Nano texture display. Get started. You know, that was really it. I'm not like gonna go through setting the computer up and stuff. I don't know why I wanted to record just this. It's just I wanted to record just this 5-minute clip. But I mean, I'm in 4K at the moment, so obviously you guys can see. Actually, you know, I'm gonna put it down and take some extra shots. Why not? There we go, baby. In all its glory. Alright guys, so that was me getting my MacBook Pro for the very first time. Literally, it's just, I've never had a computer as powerful as this one. So this is just a completely different experience for me, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm trying to use it to its full capabilities now. I'm integrating myself with this technology as we speak. I mean, it's boundless now. It's the world I've stepped into. There's like no other. The amount of knowledge I can consume is atrocious. Listen,
My goal by the end of the year is to make is to make the money back I spent on this thing. Yeah, I love it, man. It's everything. Peep the YouTube. Subscribe. We are at 290 subscribers. This is my baby. This is my home channel. Shit, I've been growing this channel for years, man. Years. But this is my most recent video. We gotta get 14 views on it. Connect to the internet. I'm offline. No. I don't know why I'm offline. What's going on? What's going on? What the hell? No. What is going on with the Wi-Fi? Wait, no, I'm connected. Goddamn. Okay. So it's just Safari fucking yeah, let's close these tabs. So, no. Thank you. It's like, it's so weird to navigate this screen sometimes. Let's close some of these. I'm at a good, it's good, it's 16 views and counting, bro. God bless. I am thankful, most definitely thankful.